Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 6, Lordship. Lordship, due to some personal difficulties, the City Council will not be available today, Lordship.
See, every time that same excuse is made. If you are serious with the matter, you take it up. Otherwise, give it up.
Criminal division?
Yes. Just putting it off from one day to another will not do.
He's not in station.
He is still in custody. The petitioner? Yes, miss?
No, no, no.
Lordship, on unlimited instructions, Your Lordship.
With the appeal or revision?
You're on limited instruction.
Lordship.
You switch to postpaid from prepaid. Prepaid is limited, postpaid is unlimited. On premier or petitioner, this is matter after 2 weeks. 2 weeks. But be sure, either that or as I've said earlier, you are all competent. You've been appearing here time and again in the court. You should know the subject. Study the case. Come. If there are issues which you think is a bit difficult, then your senior can come later on. At least start the matter.
Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 7, Lordship. There's a similar matter pending before the Honorable Supreme Court.
And for the petitioner, Your Lordship, no objection.
This is that matter connected to the that Supreme Court.
Yes. In fact, another 2 petitions are pending before Your Lordship. That Damien Rogan case.
Yeah.
Lordship, yes.
If I recall, as far as those 2 matters are concerned, the petitioner has said that yes, we'll have
before
to
the Honorable Supreme Court.
await the decision of the Supreme Court. So this will fall in the same category.
This will, because there is an order passed by Your Lordship restraining the publication of the result in this case, Your Lordship.
On premier parties, this matter after.
It come after 4 weeks, then Your Lordship. Only that liberty may be given, Your Lordship. If
This
those
matter after 4 weeks, since it has been submitted at the bar that there is an application before the Honorable Supreme Court dealing with the same subject matter, which, when disposed of, would have a bearing on the merits of this case. In the meantime, as and when the matter is the said matter before the Honorable Supreme Court is disposed of, parties can make mention.
Lordship.
If so, instructed.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Please
Your
accordingly.
Lordship.
Item number 1.
Yeah, please, my lord. My lord, after going through the judgment of this honorable court, in which my lord has ordered Balban Singh with the Singh regarding the modality of how to affect the service. In my application, I have made the
Lordship, in terms of this order, Lordship, the petitioner may be required to amend the cause title, Lordship.
just to rectify the cause title only, my lord. Otherwise, the whole of my application, there's nothing aside to disclose the address or the identity of the victim or the complainant, except the cause title, which my lord, if granted.
Without the address.
Mr. Eswina, the counsel for the petitioner has submitted that in view of this court's order, in the case of a court's order dated so in
Dated 3/4/2025.
BA number 22, I Kritim 2, Balbindar.
Bill application number 14.
The petitioner may be allowed to amend the cause title the amend the course title amend may be allowed to suitably amend the course title of this petition and to take steps in accordance with the direction made in the said Balwinder Singh case. As prayed for, seems allowed that necessary steps be taken. List this matter up to 1 week.
1 week.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 2.
Please, Your Lordship, my lord, I let this matter be fixed after 2 weeks.
Why?
After end of the board.
What's this matter about?
This is a eviction matter, my lord. Execution rather.
Execution.
What has happened here, my lord, is that the trial court, while executing the decree, this is between landlord and tenant. Actually, the law mandates that the notice should go to the tenant before execution, which was not done here. The court straight away went and executed the decree in the absence of the tenant. Because there are two parts to the decree also.
You are a judgment data.
Yes, because there are two parts to the decree. And there's an order also that the execution is complete. Now they want to execute again. So that is the... Anyway, my lord, let come up after.
It's for admission, so what's the...
Oh, my lord, he's in court number 1.
Can be admitted and come up for you.
As far as revision petitions are concerned,
Yes.
there's nothing much to argue at the admission stage. The court is just to look to the records and see the propriety, impropriety of the order passed. That's all.
Well, I pray for end of the board, because the council is
No,
in court number.
what the court is saying, let it be admitted and it will come up for hearing in its usual course.
I have no instruction for them.
Well, let it come off to 2 weeks, and that's the case.
On pay made by Mr. T.T. Dino, Leonard Senior Counsel. Yeah, on pay made by the parties, this is matter to 2 weeks. 2 weeks then.
Item number 3.
But in this case, as per my instructions, the executive committee is having a relook in all these matters. So I've been instructed to seek 2 weeks' time.
We'll wait
Perhaps
for that.
they will.
We'll wait for the instruction, my lord.
Outcome of the change of guard.
Change of guard, and they're still very slow, my lord, considering the fact that all of them are new, so they're taking their time, which is a good
My
thing.
senior is there, my lord, to help them.
Please, Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 4. I'm also praying for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit.
Therefore, the acting.
Mr. T.T. Dino, Leonard Senior Counsel, appearing for the respondent 1, 2 and 3, oblique HADC, has submitted that sometime may be allowed for the counter affidavit to be filed, since specific instructions from the authorities concerned are yet to be received. Similarly, Ms. Leonard Counsel for the respondent 4 has also sought for some more time to file the counter affidavit. On premier, the same is allowed. This is matter pray aloud. I want to as submitted. This is matter after 3 weeks.
Item number 4.
Madam, the service is complete in this matter. I may be granted a...
My lord, I am appearing for respondent. My lord, I need 2 weeks time. I have to file wakalatnama also. I may be permitted to file wakalatnama.
Mr. S. Pandit, Leonard Counsel, has submitted that he is instructed to appear on behalf of the respondent herein. However, the power could not be filed today and has sought for some time for the same to be filed.
My lord, it may be rested for hearing because
Yes.
now the matter is
One, 1 week.
Let it come after 2 weeks, my lord. Possible, my lord. One next week it will be busy. I need some time.
On premier by Mr. Espandit, this is matter for hearing after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
obliged.
Item number 5.
Possible for when? How long? 2 weeks. Lordship, he wants 2 weeks time. 2 weeks is a very long time.
Well, actually, the conducting counsel, the main counsel is in court number 1. I know there's a conflict of time, my lord.
2 weeks is a very long time, Lordship.
Pray for 2 weeks because next week will be a holiday, so.
Yeah. Next week practically, yes, the whole week is a holiday. So
That's correct, Lordship.
After 3 days?
After?
3 days?
Friday we have work.
or you can agree on a date.
Which? Oval is there. On the 30th of April? What is it?
30th.
30th, Wednesday, Lordship. It is difficult for me, Lordship. I am the beneficiary in this case, Lordship.
You are the beneficiary?
NHEI.
But you are not really a relevant person because only the state government has to give the clarification.
So
But I have
let's do it on 29th then.
29th. Yes, Lordship, 29th. 29th? What is this?
29th, Lordship.
29th, Lordship.
As agreed to by the parties. This is matter for this matter on 29th. See, we cannot just keep matters
I
adjourning.
hope Lordship 29th day will come.
One date after another date, one date after one excuse after another excuse.
I hope next day they do not pay for adjournment, Lordship.
Matters are to be taken up. See, one way or the other. What does it matter to you? It's done today or it's done after 1 year. See, the same result will be there. This way or that way. And this is a 22 matter.
22
now in 25. What's the subject matter?
Lordship, land acquisition.
Land acquisition, Lordship, I have come against the order passed by the reference court.
Award was given to you?
Award was given, some quantum amount was given to me, and then we went to the reference court. Reference court passed an order against that we have come. For enhancement.
The award?
For enhancement.
No, the reference court has enhanced the award or
no, not really. Except for on one count, others reference court has not. I've come and challenged it for enhancement of that.
Lordship,
OLAC new act.
Lordship, it's under old act, and the enhancement amount there. Since I am the beneficiary, Lordship, I am to release the amount. NHEI, part of the NHEI.
So let it be decided first.
For you, makes no difference.
Makes no difference, but only the thing is that we
If you have to give X or Y amount, makes no difference.
They have to give. They're bound by whatever it's decided. They really don't have any say on the quantum.
Exactly. And we will see what the state says.
After 2 weeks. 29th. Is it okay?
20 is fine.
So 20.
Highly blessed.
So,
I was just asking you to let me know if it
Court
will
is
take
right,
time. Just let me know if it will take time.
No, actually what will happen, I know. I just take your phone number. In case of anything, I'll let you know. Actually, the counsel who's taking the matter, her father expired recently. So she deals with the entire matter. So I wasn't sure if you all were coming. I'm just taking.
94350.